Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to this program, Sleepless in Chennai. Inspired, of course, by Sleepless in Seattle. And worse still, 2 or 3 days. Common things that patients talk about, and sometimes don't talk about when they come to us. The other big thing, of course, in the Indian environment is food, digestion, and constipation. We connect it with a lot of things. And the problem of sleep is exemplified by a very wealthy patient of mine, very rich trader who trades in crores every day. Tells me, doctor, my driver, I'm inside having consultation.
You started writing articles in Hindu, you started writing articles in Dinatandi to create an awareness on snoring was considered to be allowed. He trains doctors, nurses and technicians in the field of sleep medicine and sleep technology in Asian region.
The clinic was introduced to me. I could see one-third of our life in sleep. So if sleep is not taken care of, the other organ systems may not be taken care of well. So when I was asked to give this talk, one of the challenges was, as a physician, we often restrict the scope of sleep to sleep disorders only. Whereas as a healthy person, you may not have any sleep disorder, but there are certain concerns about sleep that everyone has. So I decided to give my talk in 2 halves. So what I'll be doing with you, I'll try to give few simple questions, answers to simple questions like, why do we sleep? What should be my body position while sleeping? How much sleep do I need as a child, as an adult, as an old person? Can I catch up into this sleep, their steps, their calories, their food intake with those apps? Are they reliable? This is the first half of my talk. The second half of my talk will be addressing one of the sleep disorders called obstructive sleep apnea. It's burden in India, and how do we manage OSA cases. So I'll try to cover all audience, and not only because when patient comes to the physician, it's not only OSA that they're concerned with. They're concerned about their sleep overall. So let's start with that. The first thing, why
So this is a program called Sleepless in Chennai, organized by the Buddhi Clinic. Our role in this is to try and bring awareness of sleep to the wider audience. Sleep is something that all of us are very concerned about, many of us are very bothered about, and not getting enough sleep is something that predisposes most of us not just to ill health but also to lack of wellness. So in this program, an expert, Dr. Tripat Deep Singh from Singapore, is outlining the different problems concerning sleep and how we should approach sleep, including responding to common questions. And we also have the Vice-Chancellor of Tamil Nadu MGR Medical University, Dr. S. Geethalakshmi, giving the keynote address about the holistic approach, and Dr. Rama from our clinic, our Chief Clinical Officer, talking about our integrated approach that combines, apart from medicines and diagnostics, Ayurveda, naturopathy, yoga, acupressure, reflexology, and a range of other calming techniques that can improve not just sleep but also mental health and wellness. Thank you.